to Adrice's Kitchen 69 travel review. Yes, I'm traveling. I'm in Memphis, Tennessee, and I'm staying at the DoubleTree Hilton on Union Street in Memphis, Tennessee. And I would like to share with you this room review. I'm in room 805, so take a look. Room 805. Let's take a walk in, y'all. Well, this is the bathroom. Plenty fresh towels. Nice clean shower. Of course, there's me always in the mirror. Nice size room for vanity to spread out all our cosmetic makeup. And a nice BB King picture there. And here is the closet. I've already hung up my Bulls jacket. It's iron. I guess people don't have ironing boards anymore, huh? And of course, we always need an extra mirror, right? Oh, this is a king-size bedroom. Nice clean sheets. Fresh white. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, they have drawer space if people looking for drawers. I live out my suitcases when I come and visit. Yes. Coffee. Nice big screen TV to watch me as I sleep. Nice little contemporary photos on the wall. Yeah. Neat little room. Oh, we have a refrigerator. All right. I'm gonna hope some liquor is in it. No, it's not all inclusive. I'm getting it ready though. And look at the view. Oh, the windows can see so much, right? Yes. Wow, the only downside is this room, this DoubleTree hotel doesn't have any safes in them. So sometimes you like to have your own safe. Okay. You know, I always like to take a little tour of the fitness centers and all the hotels that I get to do a review here at the DoubleTree Hilton Hotel here in Memphis, Tennessee. So I need like 30 minutes, 3 miles, and I'm done. Then I can eat. So this is Adrice's Kitchen 69 travel reviews, where she did a room review on the DoubleTree Hilton in Memphis, Tennessee, downtown on Union Street. Thanks for watching. And subscribe, love, like my channel.